Hey girls, we're the LipChicks.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter.
And we have a beautiful trend that we're going to share with you guys today.
Yes. We're going to do some bronzing and some blush.
Yeah.
Alright, so what is the trend for 2019?
Alright, for 2019, it's all about a light, natural contour. And we're talking like this, our bronze dust is actually like perfect for this. That bronzy, pretty glow. A little bit of soft.
Yes, I'm absolutely obsessed
color
with our bronzer, and the great thing is it comes all in one. So you have plenty of product too, which is great. So this is gonna last you a really long time.
This is the only one I've ever had, and I use it every day.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I mean, you might drop it
like
before you run out.
If you drop it in your sink, I'm sorry. We'll have like a moment of silence for all of the bronzers, bronze dust, and silver rose dust that get dropped on.
It's totally awesome. So they're $20 each, and they last a really long time, which is great. But the great thing also is you can kind of control the brush. If you don't want to use the brush, you can unscrew it, you can undo it and use your own brush if you rather. But it does come with a brush, so it's all in one. And honestly, just to get it going, so this is the bronze dust. Just kind of hit it, see how you can see it coming out. And then you can literally move this depending on, do you want it to be really like tight or you want it to be really loose? You can kind of manipulate it a little bit.
Yeah, so we're gonna go in with our bronze dust and our silver rose dust for the blush.
Yes, so for bronzer for me, I'm sure everyone probably does it a little bit different, but for me, I like to kind of suck in my cheek.
Suck in your cheek.
We do it right here.
Yeah, you definitely wanna do it just below your cheekbone right there. No lower.
But I love that it gives just like a nice like warmth, especially because it's January, and I mean honestly most of us have lost our tan by now, so it really just warms up our face and makes it like, sure, I went to the beach.
So yeah, it gives that nice natural contour. The great thing about a nice natural contour is that you're always just gonna be building it up. There's nothing worse than using something like too dark and being like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? And then having to cover up. No.
I like to go all along my jawline just to really define like all right there.
Yes, and for this year, it's like super, super simple. Like it's all about minimalism here.
Yeah, so you can do as much as you want, which is great. Myself a natural tan. It's great. Seriously. And then the silver rose, I absolutely love this as blush. It's really just nice and pinky, rosy. It's not too much. You can literally do as little or as much as you want. And I love it. I feel like it's just like a natural rose.
It's a natural rose.
And it has like a little bit of a shimmer to it also, which is really nice, you know?
And then to top it off, we're gonna use a little bit of pearlizer.
Ooh, love that pearlizer.
I say a little bit, but man, I love this stuff. Like I just
Seriously.
love this stuff.
This is absolutely amazing. So talk about highlight. You can literally, and a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to use a lot, but you can.
But you can totally use a lot.
If you want to. So I do like a tiny little bit, and I go like on my cheekbone and brush it up. But honestly, you can mix it in with your foundation, which is really nice to make your skin a little bit more glowy.
Yes,
It really gives like your skin a youthful look.
it's just all about that glow right now too, and like this is the best way.
Yeah, I call it J-Lo in the bottle.
Baby.
Seriously, because it's awesome. You can do as little or as
how
much
pretty.
as you want. I
Look
love
at,
it.
I always say it's like giving your face life.
Seriously.
Like you just gave the gift of life to your face. Your face thanks you.
Seriously.
So pretty, right?
It's awesome. I love it.
You know the greatest thing about the pearlizer? It's actually waterproof. Isn't that amazing?
Nice.
Yeah.
And honestly, a bottle this size is going to last you years and years because you don't need a lot. So I've been doing this business for 2 years and I just ran out. I'm so sad about it. I just had to open up a new bottle.
I was like, I may be on my like second or third because I like the shine. Like, what can I say? Sometimes I'll leave it a little bit more.
But definitely gives like a youthful look to your skin, which is great. And not a flat look, a very fresh, you know, look, and it, you know, bounces the light off, which is really nice. So let us know what you've been using, and we'd love to know all that good stuff.
Are you guys excited about these trends? I'm so excited.
So we're excited for 2019.
Let us know what trends you guys are into below.
All right, girls, bye.
Thanks for watching.